Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to do freeze frame or extended frame in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia. Import the video you want to edit. Scrub through the timeline to find the exact frame you want to freeze or extend. Click on the desired frame in the timeline. Press Shift and E to open the Extend Event dialog. Set the desired duration for the freeze frame. Click OK. Scrub to the end of the video. Click and hold the end marker of the video clip. Press Ctrl and drag the end marker to the right to extend the video. Play the video to preview the freeze frame or extended section. Make any necessary adjustments to the duration or position. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.